Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp application on your NOKIA G22. So if you need the second WhatsApp account and application with the separated contact numbers, I'm gonna show you the two fast tricks for that. First one is open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp app, but not for the normal WhatsApp app. Look for the WhatsApp Business. Install this app, and by this quick way we have two WhatsApp applications on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the go to the Play Store and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them and install. Okay, we're done, so we can launch it. Choose agree and continue. Sorry about that. And allow permission. Now just open the WhatsApp icon and whole process stopping automatically, and now we are creating the next WhatsApp application on one device. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.